Nothing can be more frustrating when you sit down to watch one of your favorite programs on Sling TV and you run into issues streaming it. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Sling TV app if it isn't working on your SCEPTRE Smart TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get you back up and running again. The first one, it's the easiest one to try, and that's to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV. So make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If it fixes it, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Try deleting the Sling TV app on your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Sling TV app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all of your credentials, but hopefully this will work. If that doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick, Fire Stick, or Apple TV 4K and plug that into your TV and use it as your main streaming player. You'll be able to access Sling TV that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.